Which act formally initiated legislative decentralization by restoring lawmaking powers to provinces? Indian Councils Act 1858, Indian Councils Act 1861, Government of India Act 1861, Pitt's India Act 1784.
Indian Councils Act 1861. Explanation: the Indian Councils Act of 1861 was a significant piece of legislation in British India. It formally initiated the process of legislative decentralization by restoring lawmaking powers to the provinces of British India. This was a crucial step away from the highly centralized system that had been in place, allowing for greater flexibility and responsiveness to local needs. The Act also introduced the principle of associating Indians with the legislative process by allowing the Governor-General to nominate some Indians to his council. Indian Councils Act 1858. This act primarily focused on transferring the administration of India from the British East India Company to the British Crown. It did not directly address provincial legislative powers. Government of India Act 1861. This is not a commonly recognized or established name for any legislation during this period. The correct legislation is Indian Councils Act 1861. Pitt's India Act 1784. This act was an earlier piece of legislation that primarily addressed the structure and function of the East India Company and the governance of British India. It predates the period when provincial legislative powers were being considered for restoration.